Beloved students, I am continuing my exercise 2.5. In my last class, I have discussed number 1 and number 2. Now I am doing number 3. Now what is the question? Is factorize the following using appropriate identities. Now you have to factorize it. Factorize means what? If I write C, what are 6? What are the factors of 6? 2 into 3. If I write A plus B whole square, what are the factors of A plus B whole square? A plus B into A plus B. Factor means we can break it, yes or no? Now you say 9x square plus 6xy plus y square. Now this is of the form a plus b whole square. You see a square plus 2ac plus b square like this. So I will choose this formula, a square plus 2ac plus b square, a plus b whole square. Now first one is 9x square. I will make it a perfect square like this, 3x whole square, and b I take it as y whole square. Okay, so here in place of a I will choose that as 3x, and in place of b it is y. So twice of a will be thrice x and b will be y. So I break it like this, 3x whole square plus 2 into a is 3x, b is y. So twice ab plus b square y whole square. So it will be what? 3x plus y whole square. This is of the form of identity a plus b whole square. So I factorize it, I break it, 3x plus y into 3x plus y. This one is finished. Now next one is, you see, number 2, 4y square minus 4y plus 1. Now in this question, you see, as a square minus 2acb plus b square, thus in the formula there is a minus sign there, and in the factorize in the two identities a plus b whole square, one is a square plus 2acb plus b square, is here all the signs are positive, so it will be a plus b whole square, and before 2acb it is minus sign. So I think it is, as before this one there is minus sign, it will be a chance of a minus b whole square, you can guess it. So I want to transform it in the form a minus b whole square. Now 4y square I will write it 2y whole square, and 1 whole square I baked it. Now twice of a is what? Twice y, and b is what? 1. So I am getting what? Twice y whole square minus 2 into twice y into 1 plus 1 whole square. Nothing I have written excess. 4y square, if you make it 2y whole square is 4y square, 2 to ja 4y plus 1 square means 1. So this is of the form a minus b whole square. So I baked it, twice y minus 1 to twice y minus 1. This one is finished. Now next, third one is what? X square minus y square by 100. Now you see there is only two things are there, a square minus b square form. There is no twice b there, so I can use the identity a square minus b square, a plus b into a minus b. In place of to convert it x square, I am writing as x whole square, and y, and in place of 10 square means what? 100. So I am writing y by 10 whole square. So it will be what? X plus y by 10, x minus y by 10. So this one is finished. I think you have understood it. Now you see this third one is finished. Now fourth one, you see, what is the identity? I have told you, a plus b plus c whole square. What is this? A square plus twice a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus twice of bc plus twice of ca. Now this is the formula for factorization. A plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus twice of bc plus twice of ca. Now you see x plus twice y plus 4z whole square. Now here in place of a it is x, in place of b it is twice y, in place of c it is 4z. Now it is in the cyclic form, twice ab, a b c, a into b plus b into c plus c into a, cyclic form, isn't it? So you see a is x, b is twice y, c is 4z. So I am writing x square plus 2y whole square plus 4z whole square plus twice of x into 2y plus 2 into twice y into 4z plus 2 into 4z into x. So this becomes a square plus b square plus c square plus twice of ab plus twice of bc plus twice of c. Now x square 2y whole square is 4y square, 4z whole square is 16z square. Now you see 2 to ja 4, 4xy, this one is done. Now 2 to ja 4, 4 ja 16yz, 2 to 4 ja 8 to ja this is what? Twice of bc. So 2 4 ja 8 zx, 2 4 ja 8, 4 to ja 8 zx. So this one you have got. Now this one is finished. Now next, second one, you see, number 2. Second one is what? Second one is what? You see, what is the question? 2x minus y plus z. Now twice xy minus 2x minus y plus z whole square. Here a is twice x, b is minus y, c is z. So like this, 2x whole square plus minus y whole square plus z whole square plus twice of you make it cyclic way. You write twice x minus y then z. So you multiply. How will you do the formula? In all the case you put two side, two in all the, for all the case you put 2 in first twice of AB. What is A is twice x, so you will write twice x into minus y. Next twice BC minus y into z plus twice of CA means z into twice x. So 2x whole square is 4x square, y whole square is y square, z square, plus minus 2 to the 4xy, plus minus 2yz, plus a plus is there, 2 to the 4zx. So this one is also finished. Now third one you see this one. Third question is that minus 2x plus 3y plus 2z whole square. Now here you see what is A? A is what? Minus twice x. What is B? B is what? Thrice y. What is C? C is twice of z. Now if you make it whole square, s square plus b square plus c square, just I have written it 2x whole square plus thrice y whole square plus 2z whole square. Now formula is what? Twice of AB, twice of BC, twice of CA. Now A is I am writing minus twice x, B is 3y and C is 2z. Now how will you multiply twice of this? Minus 2x into thrice y, minus 2x into thrice y, plus thrice y, twice of thrice y into 2z, thrice y into 2z, plus this one, twice z into minus 2x, twice z into minus 2x, like this. Now you see 4, this I break it, as it is even number, sign will be plus 4x square, 3 square means 9y square, 4z square. Now you see plus and minus and minus, 2 to the 4, 4 3 are 12xy, 2 3 are 6, 6 2 are 12yz, plus minus minus 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 zx. So this one is finished. Now in the same way you can do number 3, number 5 and number 6. I am giving these sums explanation now and I am sending its PDF and you do this homework and show me. Okay, thank you students.